welcome to another video. So today, how do you calculate your stop loss? If you are on TopStep and you came from TradingView, I'm sure you're having this problem. Everyone has this problem, especially I did at first. It's honestly very annoying because on TopStep, you can't actually like put a limit and then after automatically put your stop loss and take profit before you actually enter the trade. So for newcomers that don't actually really know how the market works and the tools that are actually available, this might be a little difficult because instead of doing the math, it can take a lot of time to actually take the entry. Here's a much shorter way. So as you can see on our little dash over here, this is on the TopStepX platform. If you don't know already, right here, we have our projections. This is our long position and our short position. So taking into account, this is NQ NASDAQ. This is a NASDAQ mini. Say we want to take a long position right here. Now for the account size, it doesn't really matter. But if you want, I mean, I have the 50K account, the funded account. So just put 50K if you would like, or whatever you would like. Put a mil, it doesn't really matter. Lot size for MNQ, micro NASDAQ, it's 2 all the time. And over here is your risk. How much do you want to risk? Make sure over here it's cash. Usually on default, it's percentage, if I believe. Make it cash and put how much you want to risk per trade. And automatically, you're going to see the second you want to enter the trade, say you want to enter right here, stop loss is going to go right below these previous lows right here. Now, say you want to catch the move, this little move up here. Automatically, it's going to tell you that you need to place 23 contracts. So that means you're going to go buy, market buy, and you're going to put 23 contracts. And with that, that means once you place the entry and you're in the trade, stop loss is going to go right over here. In my case, it's going to be 450 US dollars. Same thing if I place my stop loss down here. As you can see, the contracts go down to kind of like buffer that bigger drop. So now I have 8 contracts that I would have to place to have a 450 stop loss. So that is for MNQ. If it's for the actual NQ, then it would be 20, which I have the setting right here. It'll be 20 contracts, so 20 lots. Now, if you want to do ES, for ES, it would be 50 contracts. And for MES, which is the micro ES, it would be 5 lots. So it's as simple as that. You simply place your trade in, say over here, you want to take a short position. It's going to tell you for MES, it's 21 lots and you're going to be risking 450. It's honestly that easy. It's going to help you so much to just get into the trade. It's also going to help with risk management. And it's just an essential tool to trade, especially on the TopStep platform, since you can't actually see how much you're risking before you enter the trade, like TradingView does. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Try to make it nice and quick, short. If you did, leave a like, subscribe. I also have a link in the description for my Discord. If you are interested, I would appreciate it a lot if you were to join. We have nice talks in there every single day for a New York session. Help each other out with our biases. I also have my daily recaps that are posted in there and my daily biases just before market open. So hope you have an amazing day. Leave a like, subscribe, and have an amazing weekend. Or is it weekend? I don't know when I'm posting this.